From start to finish, we deliver excellence. Ready to build something extraordinary? Welcome to Andywhite Constructions, where vision meets action. We don't slow down, we level up. From solid foundations to stunning finishes, we deliver speed, precision, and quality every single time. Our services includes building construction, renovation, interior decoration, partitioning, aluminum windows and doors fabrication, furniture and accessories. Big projects, small projects, we handle it all with unmatched expertise and unstoppable commitment. Our team brings energy, innovation, and craftsmanship to every site, turning ideas into powerful, lasting structures. When you think construction, think strength, think reliability, think Andywhite Constructions. Let's build it right. Let's build it strong. Let's build it now.